Really, I just want to sleep. I stay at home. My body actually hasn't got to used to the fact that we're back to school. Spring semester, unlike fall, is usually chilled, I think. This is why I wanted this to be a quiet video, because for some reason my voice decided to just want to disappear. But I'm too much of a talkative to not actually talk during my videos. But yeah, anyway, spring semester is usually calm, it's usually chilled, not too much hustle bustle. It doesn't really require as much shiggy to be seen as fall. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to the semester. I'm looking forward to having all A's. I couldn't have that during the fall semester because life was just lifing, bro. But if you're a grad student, you know how important it is to make sure you have A's, because having even one B or two B's is a call for disaster. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to do my makeup, pack my stuff, and then I don't know if I'm gonna have breakfast, but yeah, do my makeup, pack my stuff, and then just go to school because. So yeah, it's currently like 8 o'clock. I don't have to be at work until like 9. Until like 10. But I'm still gonna try to hurry up either way, because Lord knows I still take my time even when I'm not supposed to take my time. I'll see you guys once I am all packed and ready.
fed up too. I hope that's not going to do. I will look for it.
She was telling me that you get it on your text.
I feel it there.
You don't get it. I'm still getting it.
Give me your Bacasia. We get similar food. What she said? Basically, she come and drop our knee. And she feels like police officer can really be useful. She just keeps it. And he doesn't really know like how it works. Yeah, like just like when you play it again and again and again and again and you hear everything. This is what they give us. What can I do?
Was your mom there to you?
No. Somebody gave me. Yeah, because I'm like, I want to chop up.
I thought that's too much. Only way she back to
Yeah,
Have you started YouTube? My blood is better. I saw you about when I got it. Maybe I can.
Hi guys, we have finally come to the end of this week's vlog. It was actually pretty good, I think. I'm going to be taking 3 courses this semester, one of which is my practicum, which is like a replacement for thesis, I guess. Since I won't be doing thesis, I'll be working on projects. I'm in my second to my final semester, which means I'm going to be graduating in the fall. This is spring. So yeah, I'm going to be doing part 1 of my project this semester, and then part 2 in the last semester. So for that, I was pretty excited about the fact that I won't be writing any exams, but it seems like it's going to be a lot of work because we're going to be working with like external companies and organizations and stuff. Yeah, but that's that. And then the second course, I'm not gonna lie, the only thing I understood in the first class was the professor's name. Other than that, I had absolutely no idea what was going on. But yeah, I had no choice. And then the third class, which happened to be the first class, is more of like cryptography, like applied cryptography. It really doesn't have a lot to do with what I'm studying, but you know, I needed an elective and I was like, okay, might as well. And I've taken a professor's course before, so it wasn't so bad. So I'm hoping that this one is actually pretty good. Well, yeah, that was pretty much just it. I did other things during the week, but I just couldn't vlog it because I was just trying to keep it like school related. There wasn't really much that I did exactly. Yeah, I just wanted to close out this vlog because I feel like it's getting too long. I feel like it's getting way too long because it's been 3 days. And today's Thursday. I go to my other job weekends, and that's like a whole separate life. All YouTube, I guess. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.